Alexa, pay my bill.
Sure. Your account has two due bills. The nearest due bill is for Southern Power Distribution Company Limited, Upstville, number ending with 2792. Do you want to pay for it?
No.
Alright. So do you want to pay for the Southern Power Distribution Company Limited, Upstville, number ending with 1203?
Yes.
Okay. The bill is for 377 rupees and due on the 24th of August. Should I go ahead and pay 377 rupees from your Amazon Pay balance? All eligible offers will automatically apply.
Yes.
Thanks. Your payment is being processed. You will receive a notification once it's complete. Also, for additional control, you can set up a voice code through account settings in the Alexa app.
Okay, thanks.
I'm always happy to help.